Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. Does your student need to focus for them to be able to hear information and even retain it? Most students do. It's called secondary focusing, and what that is the brain needs to involuntarily focus on something else so the brain actually clears itself so it can take in the information it really needs to focus on. So for example, if you have a student who sits, let's say, in science class and doodles and draws pictures, but can still raise their hand and answer the question correctly, then we know they need secondary focusing to retain whatever information that teacher is presenting. Another great fidget are Legos. I use Legos when I'm actually testing my students on, let's say, quizzing them for a test for the next day. Let them manipulate the Legos while you ask the questions. And a great one for your student to use in school are Wiki Sticks. Wiki Sticks are awesome. You can buy them for like $6 for 400 of them. But what I love the most is they're quiet, so they won't be distracting to the other students around them. Other great fidgets are even a yoga ball. We know that when we sit on a yoga ball, we have to kind of stabilize the core. That in and of itself is called secondary focusing. So give your student a fidget and watch them be able to focus better.